Good day, everyone. Chuck Taylor here with the Tatum Brothers. We're out at 4700 Ledesma, new property that we put under contract. We're gonna do a walkthrough of the lot. This is our first time to walk it. Here in East Austin in 78721. You got ADUs, new builds all around us. So it looks like there's not any deed restrictions here. We are waiting to confirm that with the title company. Trees, most of them are small with the exception of this one you have here in your setback. Again, the lot's 8169 square feet. You have a 50-foot front. There is no floodplain. You actually have a little bit of slope that comes from the back and moves towards the front of the lot. House was built in 57. Looks like it's more than likely a tear down. No big trees in the back, all pretty small trees in the setback. So you may want to keep a couple of those, you may want to take them out. And then looks like you got some thick bamboo back here. And a smaller tree. Take a walk on this other side of the house. And that will wrap up the walkthrough. If you have any questions or you're interested, give us a buzz. 512-710-5459. Appreciate your time.